Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the Mummy Finger. Banana muffins are an easy snack for everyone in the family. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour. Always sift the flour to avoid lumps. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and mix them well. Mash 3 large bananas. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and beat them well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/3 cup of oil or butter. Mix all the ingredients well. Add the dry ingredients and mix well. In a muffin tray, arrange the muffin cases and fill the muffin mix up to half of the cases. Bake it in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Baking time may vary according to the oven. Check if the muffins are baked well by inserting a toothpick or a knife. Soft and delicious banana muffins are ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.